A discussion with Dr. Otende Amolo. Kabras rugby team is seeking to extend their unbeaten streak this season as they take on Menengai Oilers this weekend in Kenya Cup. Now, the Sugar Millers are also keen on retaining the title as the season heads into home stretch. Robinson Okenya reports.
In Kakamega, reigning Kenya Cup champions Kabras Sugar are putting in work heading into their next assignment against Nakuru-based Menengai Oilers. The Millers are still unbeaten this season, averaging more than 40 points a game and top the league with 40 points, a point ahead of rivals KCB.
We are concentrating on the right areas and we are putting everything together. And I could say, if I was a chef, I'd say our meal is coming together.
It's not a race, it's a marathon. And towards the end, you notice that that's where the marathon starts becoming testing.
The Carlos Katua-led team believe the ingredients have mixed well this season, and each team they face will aim at taking points from them. Kabras faced third-placed Oilers, who trailed them by a point.
They call it the Rye Derby, so we know they're going to come at us, being that we've not lost any game this season. They really need our scalp. They need to win.
Our target and our mission is to play each and every game as a final. That's why you see when we tackle any game, we tackle it as a final, as our last game.
The Millers, who have won Kenya Cup on 3 occasions since joining top-tier rugby in the country, are keen on a fourth, but they know it will not be a walk in the park.
Our goals were, even at the beginning of the season, was to retain our championship, as I've said.
Going forward, we expect a lot of pressure, considering we're the champions. And to defend it, it will require a lot from the boys.
Match day 8 will see Kabras Sugar host Menengai Oilers in Kakamega as KCB battles Kenya Harlequin. Black Blood plays Nondis while Nakuru takes on Catholic Monks in Nakuru. Homeboys face Strathmore Leos as Mwamba host Kisumu. Robinson Okenya, KTN Sports.
Now, from Kenya Cup to golf, and Kenyan golfer Michael Karanga is